I am going to introduce you to SmartBom. So SmartBom is a tool you'll have access with if you have MyCard Services Premium. So it lets you create a BOM for an assembly or folder and use properties as an extraction filter. With it, you'll be able to choose the extraction level for sub-assemblies and concatenate several properties in a column. It is also possible to, as you're going to see, to customize exports in text, Excel, SolidWorks table, PDF, or XML formats. So here I've taken the assemblies I had open in SolidWorks, and here you have all of your currents. Obviously, you can customize it as you want with the property you want. So what we're going to do first is to click right to add a column. So you can move it wherever you want. And here we are going to give it a name and a property name. So it's going to be a type 1. And now we are going to apply right here what we did. So here, as you can see, my type properties is weld in. And here, this one properties means machining, and this one means hardware. What we want to do once you completely customize all of the columns, what you want to do is to save it. So you're going off BOM table template and you're going to save it as what you want. So I want this table of contents to be named as my hardware properties. So in French, of course, and I'm saving it. Now, what we want is we want to create a BOM that only has all hardware parts. So I'm going on project management. And here, as you can see, I have my general first BOM that we saw with the table template. That is the first one we saw. Now we're going to create a new one. So we're going to click on Add a BOM right here. And we are going to name it hardware. Now here we are going to select the white table template we want, which is our new hardware one. So I'm selecting it. And as I told you before, I want only my parts here. So I'm going to here conserve only my parts. Now you can add conditions to it. So we are going on conditions right here, and we are going to add property filter. So I'm going to go with this one that I'm going to put right there on the left. And we are going to go with the condition. So what I want is only the parts that have the hardware property. So the property name is type, and the value, as I told you, is hardware in French again. And now we can apply it. So as you can see, now I have two properties. So the first one, and here I have my hardware one. And here, as you can see, it really took only the parts that have the hardware properties. Now, how can you put it in Excel or in a text or on a drawing? First, we're going to see here the little general options. Here you have options for the different types of exports. So what we're going to see today is the Excel export options. So if you have unusual Excel files with your company logo on it, you can take it. And you can also add a column with the thumbnails of the document. So we are going to select it and we are going to go on OK now. To export it, you are going to click right here. So BOM export in Excel sheets. And now, as you can see, I have my two BOMs, so my first one and my hardware one here, and the preview thumbnails are right there. So do not hesitate to use SmartBom if you need to create BOM. As I told you, from an assembly or folder. Don't hesitate to use the properties as an extraction filter and to choose the extraction level of sub-assemblies, as I told you that you can do so. If you have any questions, do not hesitate.